Hello everyone, we have a very special visitor coming in today. We've got a Captain Sim Boeing 777PW, okay, inbound from unknown, but we're just going to see if we can see it. There she is, right down at the bottom. Oh, which one she's facing? There she is, there she is. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice. Got purple nose underneath as well. Someone is saying it's inbound from Kiev. But no, we're going to capture her arriving. I don't know what she's going to see, what she sounds like. See what the engines sound like. But no, it's in here to apparently, I think we're going to buy some liveries soon. Once we got the liveries, we'll do a 777PW flight. I think it's Heathrow to Tokyo that is on the cards. She might, if she sounds like a real 777, okay, I'm gonna go really well. If she sounds like the Captain Sim one, like the Boeing 747, okay, I don't mind it really. I think people have asked me, why is the Captain Sim 777PW coming in? Here we go, here we go, she's gonna hear, here we go, here we go. Here we go. 400. Hang on, I think it sounds like a Dreamliner noise. Here we go, this is gonna be difficult, different.
300. 200.
Wow.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
I think she sounds like a 747. Yeah, she does, yeah. She does sound like that, yeah. You can hear her engine like that. Well, that was it. That was the arrival of the Captain Sim 777PW. She still sounds like the other one, but yeah. Listen. She is going to have an engine test later to make sure she works. I'm just going to watch a video and see what she sounds like. She sounds a bit like a real 777, but no, there you go. Right, next, right, okay, so people are asking what plane do we have coming in next? Is actually our flight coming into Southend, which is of course this.
Tons of 777s, 78s.
Okay, next aircraft, that will be our flight, which is on board the EasyJet Airbus A320. First time that we're seeing it today. First time seeing it coming into Southend. I think it's inbound from Geneva. It is, yeah.